Here also omelette. In bar also they are making omelette. I can eat this, but I can't eat bar omelette. La 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 la. Omelette ready. Mwah. Aha, chill beer. Ah, it smells so good. La 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 la. Omelette ready. Yeah. Ah, what a climate.
Weather is good, right?
Ah,
That's the thing. Our senior people said you have to born in Karnataka.
correct. Let me tell you one thing. If you are drinking, drink from home. Yeah. What's wrong in that?
You'll never change.
I will never ever change. Huh? Who is calling this time? Hey, Maharishi. Why is he calling now? Hey, dude, tell me. Mom? Okay, Mom. I'm coming.
What happened?
Maharishi attempted suicide, bro. Come, let's go.
Let's go.
Stop here. Mom, what happened, Mom?
See what he has done.
Mom, don't worry, please. We will talk to him.
Please speak and put some sense into him. Tell him not to do it again. I can't live without him.
Don't worry, Mom. God is there. We will speak to him. Where is he?
He's upstairs.
Don't worry, Mom. We will take care. Okay?
Don't cry, auntie.
Yeah, go. Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, I'm asking you, what happened? That Aisha.
What's wrong with her?
Nothing. Her marriage got fixed. I went to talk to her parents, but they refused.
Then?
They beat me up. For me, it's up that okay. But they meet Aisha too
When is he getting married?
in just 3 days.
So, what do you want to do now?
Then what else? I want to die.
Idiot! Why do you people become so weak in the times like this? What's wrong with you? Look, if you are seriously in love with her, don't bother about anyone. Take care of her, okay? But your love should be sincere. Do you understand? Let's go.
Hey, jump slowly, man.
Don't make noise.
Idiot.
Chinu, did you came to encourage me? You hold my hand or else I will... Okay, top or bottom?
Guys, what are you doing? Be silent and come.
How to just say it instead of hitting me? She was about to shut me down permanently. We are yet to have kids together.
You come with me. Hey, you go that side.
Okay.
Priya, come with me. Okay.
Okay.
Oh God, this is the right place for my present condition. Allah, thought you are not my family deity. I am still praying you. Bless me that I lose my virginity today. Allah.
Hey, wait for some more time. Wait for a minute. Shoo, you're always in a hurry. Come.
Shut up.
There is some insects there. They are making so much sound. Hey Priya, where are you? Priya, where are you?
Hey, one.
Leave me.
Hey,
Wait,
please,
leave
one
me for a minute.
Oh, please go later.
Oh, I'll go to the washroom and come.
Come, you go later. Huh? Hey,
I'll be
listen,
back
hey,
soon.
please don't go. Hey.
Come fast, Priya. It's so hot here. I'm so scared here. Priya, Priya. Priya is coming. Let me play kabaddi today. Hey, I'm waiting for a long time.
I told
Where
you
you
I'll
went,
come
Priya?
back now. Always you're in a hurry.
Priya, what is this, Priya? Morning is tennis ball. Now it seems like football. I can't hug you, Priya. Oh, Priya.
Why are you calling me Priya?
I didn't take anything.
Hey, who are you all? How dare you come to my house and taking my daughter? Hey, beat them all. Hey! Come on,
Hey, just wait.
Hey, wait.
Hey, I beat them up so that you should not think that way, right? That's why I beat you. Just give me 2 minutes. I will try to convince you. If you are not convinced, then we will start the fighting, okay? Sir, listen. If you are watching love scenes in cinema, you are enjoying that. If the same thing done by your kids, why you are trying to kill them? What's wrong with love? Thinking our parents will value our likings. Everyone falls in love, sir. You are an elder person. You thinking that caste and religion are important, sir? Tell me please, sir.
I wish to give her the best since she was a kid, in all occasions. In marriage, I want to give her a good groom. Is it wrong? You tell?
Sir, there is nothing wrong in giving the best to her. She may be happy with a good groom. You have selected, but if you get her married to the person she loves, she will live happily forever. Please think about it, sir. For parents, there is nothing better than their kids' happiness, sir.
Daddy.
Daughter, you forgive me, child. Thanks, Krish. This wedding won't happen because of you. Thanks for your help. Thanks, bro.
Is it your lover?
My mother India. How about you? Who is she? Hey, Krish!
Hey, what you are seeing?
Nothing.
Okay, give it to me. Hey,
Hey, that is nothing.
Good. I
told you.
Give it. Oh, Krisha, I'll tell him right away that you love him.
You don't tell him anything. I will tell him tomorrow morning.
You may take time when your eyes like something, not when a heart like something. Even when you have time to tell, they won't listen.